In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut an object along a spline using the line cut tool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your geometry, project a spline, and commit a clean, controlled cut. Start by selecting the geometry you want to cut, like a simple cube or any polygonal object in your scene. If it's still a live primitive, consider making it editable so the tool can create new edges properly. It's also a good idea to isolate or solo the object if your scene is busy, so you can clearly see what you're doing. Next, switch into a component mode, point, edge, or polygon, depending on how you want to visualize and interact with the mesh. Working in component mode helps you see where the new edges will land and makes it easier to evaluate the topology you're creating. Now, access the line cut tool. You can find it in the mesh menu under line cut, or you can press the K key twice in quick succession. Take a moment to glance at the tool's options in your interface. Things like snapping and visible-only behavior can affect how the cut is applied, though we'll stick to the basic workflow here. Make sure your target object is still selected, and have the spline you want to use visible in the viewport. The spline acts as a guide for the cut, so position and scale it beforehand so that it aligns with the shape you want projected. If the spline is on a hidden layer or not in view, bring it into frame so the tool can recognize it. To activate the cut, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Keep holding it as you move your cursor. While holding Ctrl, hover your cursor over the spline. You'll see the spline highlight and a live projection will appear across the surface of your object. This preview shows where the cut will run, taking the spline's shape and wrapping it over the visible geometry. Adjust your camera angle to ensure the projection hits the surfaces you intend. A clear view helps avoid accidental cuts on the wrong side. When you're satisfied with the projection, click on the object's surface to commit the cut. The tool will create new edges along the spline's projected path, splitting polygons where needed. After the cut, switch to edge or polygon mode to inspect the result. If something doesn't look right, use undo and try again with a clearer view or adjusted spline placement. Save your scene when you're happy and you're ready to continue modeling with your newly defined edges.